And me, Jamaica for hire for unto the down.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Now this video is a video I did about over a year and a half ago. And it's about this boy, Peter SILVERA. Not Tafari SILVERA, you know. Peter SILVERA, police boy. He killed 2 people in a Jamaica in a 2003. Runway got Canada in a 2004. Until this day, them still can't catch the police boy. Let's go.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Now, I'm not gonna stay too long on this. Before I get into it, you know me have to big up the crew. Country boss, country gal, silent, nuclear rastaman. Big up on yourself. And country boss, hit your notification button. Okay, forgot the WhatsApp crew, country squad, we can't leave them out. Yo, 306, big up yourself, you know me I talk. And J.A. man, Jaman, yeah. Now, look at the screen in front of you. Here we go again, another police wanted. Now, this came out in the media a couple years ago, because a couple other people did something on it. But this guy right here, his name is Mr. SILVERA. He is wanted since 2004, believe it or not. Now, this guy, Mr. Peter SILVERA, he is wanted in Jamaica since 2004 for slapping 2 people there, and he run back Canada, and he's there hiding. And now in 2021, going into the ending into 2022, and this guy is still wanted. Now, if anybody know where this former Jamaican police officer is in Canada or anywhere in the world, please contact the Jamaican police, okay? Or contact the authorities. I feel like any policeman who violate their oath of office, they need to go to prison instantly. You take a swearing to honor and uphold the law and protect the citizens of your country. But what you do, you became the law and is doing extrajudicial bullshit. So yeah, anybody know this guy is Peter SILVERA. He has family in Brampton, Ontario, Canada, and he said that he is in Canada hiding. He could be in America, he could be anywhere. But me, countryman, any police boy will violate them citizens, me not like them. You hear that? Me not like them. You understand? When you ride around with long gun in a Jamaica, when you have the soldier ride with you, all you do, practice for the people them in a game. And when people stand up for them rights, you wanna do, slap them way and then you run way. I want to live in a life, you mad man. And me, Jamaica for hire for unto the down. Any one of them would have find them anyway, not there. Me, countryman would have find out. So, yeah, I'm about to go. Anybody again, let me repeat this. Anybody see this police boy, Peter SILVERA, in Toronto, Canada, or anywhere in Canada, or anywhere in the world, please contact the nearest police station. We might get some money for that boy. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit your notification button. Also, check out the membership section and check out the WhatsApp group. I know I've been dragging my feet, but I will create a Patreon page where we can upload certain things and y'all could check it out from there. You know what I'm saying? Like certain graphic videos we can't put on YouTube, but if you see Peter SILVERA, ex-Jamaican police wanted in connection with 2 deaths since 2004 who fled to Canada, call your nearest police. My name is Countryman and I'm out.